Hi, last video was an introduction to algebra, and this video we're going to do some exercises to further solidify your understanding of this chapter. So let's look at question 1. Let the unknown number be x. Write the expression for A, 3 more than x, B, 6 less than x, C, 10 times x, D, the sum of negative 8 and x, E, the sum of the unknown number and its squared, F, a number which is twice x more than x, G, the fraction obtained when the double of the unknown number is divided by the sum of the unknown number and 4. Okay, so questions A to G, we are just going to be writing for an expression. We're not so much yet solving for anything at the moment because that is how much we have covered in the last video anyways. So expressions are important for you because when you read questions and they give you a long-winded story about A, B, and C, and D, what is most important is that you need to know how to extract information from a long question, right? These are very short practices for you, but let's just jump right into the answers. For A, 3 more than x is x plus 3. For B, 6 less than x is x minus 6. C, 10 times of x is just 10 multiply x, so you can write 10x. D, the sum of negative 8 and x would be negative 8 plus x. E, the sum of the unknown number and its squared. So the unknown number is x, the square of the unknown number is x squared, and the sum of it, you just have to add them together. F, a number which is twice x more than x. So twice of x is 2x, and then more than x means you need to add x to it. G, the fraction obtained when double of the unknown number is divided by the sum of the unknown number and 4. The fraction means we are going to have a fraction, but what is the numerator should be the double of the unknown number, which is 2x. The denominator should be the sum of the unknown number and 4, so x plus 4. Okay, so hopefully that makes sense. We're just going to jump into the next question. A woman is m years old. Question A, how old will she be in 10 years' time? So now that the question has given you the woman's age in terms of m, meaning to say the way you want to answer all of these questions are also in terms of m. So if the question is saying that how old will she be in 10 years' time, meaning to say if she's m years old now, 10 years later is just a plus 10. So the answer for A is m plus 10. For B, how old was she 10 years ago? So now we're going to go back in time, right? So if m years old now, 10 years ago would be m minus 10. So if that makes sense, let's just go into the last question for today. Okay, the last question for today, 3 people will win a prize of P dollars. Again, so now that our money prize is in terms of P, all of our answers that will come will be also in terms of P. So let's look at question A. If they share the prize equally, how much will they receive? Okay, so 3 people are going to share a prize of P dollars, meaning to say we are going to take something divided by P by 3. And that something, although it's unknown, since it's unknown, we can write it as P divided by 3. So everybody is going to get a portion of P divided by $3. Question B. If one of the people wins 3 times as much money as the other 2, how much will each receive? So for this question, even though there's 3 people who are sharing the prize, there is one person who is going to take 3 times more as the other 2 person. So meaning to say, from the 3 person A is going to get 3 portions, person B and person C is going to get 1 portion. So in this case, you would want to find yourself 5 portions to split the price of P dollars. Once you have split them into 5 portions, then person A can take 3 of those portions, which is you do that by multiplying by 3, and then everybody else just take 1 portion, right? So P divided by 5 is 1 portion, right? Because we're dividing it by 5 portions, and then for only person A, she's going to get 3p over 5. Okay, so that's about it for this chapter. Next chapter, we're going to be discussing how to simplify algebra. Okay, so now that you know how to build or form algebraic expressions, in the next video, we're going to be forming more complex ones, and we also want to learn how to simplify it. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.